www.wordpress.com, and thank you for taking time to watch our SEO guide and why every WordPress website needs to be ranked in search engines. Today we're going to go ahead and take a look and see how we could take a fresh website and get it indexed and listed in major search engines and other web directories. And so if you have a chance, I would encourage you to go to theonlineharvest.com/SEO guide, where you will find the resources that are going to be mentioned in this video. And so we'll go ahead and go to the site that we're working on, and it is keepingthegarden.com, and this is my wife's website, and it's about a self-sufficient family living for Jesus, and I'm helping her create a website, and hopefully this website could be a source of income for our family. And she sees what I do on the web and she decided she wanted to be a part of it. So this is a brand new website, and we're going to go ahead and get right into this and help you get your website listed in Google. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go to your WordPress dashboard, and when you go there, go to your plugins, and from there you want to add new plugins. And there's two plugins we're going to add. The first one is WordPress SEO. Go ahead and search for plugins, and it is right here, WordPress SEO by Yoast. It's also in the video or in the website link. Go ahead and click install now. Okay, activate plugin, and from there we'll go ahead and add one more, add new. And this one is Google XML sitemap, and we'll go ahead and install now. Click activate plugin, and this is the first thing we'll do is go ahead and go to settings, and from there, or excuse me, I'll go ahead and go to SEO, sorry. And here in SEO you'll see all the different things that all the options you have for the SEO plugin. We'll go to the dashboard, and I'll just give you a little tour here of what's taking place and why you need to customize this website. I apologize for the delay. And so what we're going to go ahead and do is, whenever we get our website submitted to these two places here, we need to put in special code here, and this is where you click save and go from there. The next thing you'll notice here is titles and metas, and what we want to do is go ahead and go to home, and this is where you type in a home title. So ours is Keeping the Garden, a self-sufficient family living for Jesus, and so we're going to go ahead and put that first, self-sufficient family, and then a hyphen, keeping the garden. And the reason I put the title second is because this is a keyword. Self, it needs to be self-sufficient. Self-sufficient family. This is a key phrase, and so that'll help whenever people search for our website. And in here we could put in here, keeping the garden, follow a Christian family that desires to live a self-sufficient life, and then hit save. And right here you'll see the title is right here, the title is right here. Christian family is a key phrase, and self-sufficient is a key phrase. So all of those are in here. So once that's saved, we'll go ahead and go to the next section here, which is, let me just explain to you, whenever you do a post, what you do to make sure your site is properly optimized. You would type in your title here, so website title, and this title has to be keyword optimized. It has to have some keyword like self-sufficient family or whatever. And after that, what happens is, here in your WordPress plugin right here, I apologize, it's a little slow. You would type in your keyword here, so focus keyword, keyword. And so, or actually, we'll do this. This will be the title, website title. So you would have website title there, and website title, and then a little mini description, and then from here, website title, full description. And you'll notice how many characters you have left. You want to make sure you stay within that minimum. Inside of here, you'll have an intro, text / paragraph, and it must include your title, and then from there you would actually type in your website title again and make it here an H2 tag, and this helps your search engine optimization here whenever you're doing your website. One thing you'll notice here is the permalink isn't correct. Go here and just type in right there and do save changes for post name, and now if you go back over here and refresh it, it'll have the keyword or the website title. The keyword will be there and it'll be in all the proper places. Make sure you have a minimum of 300 words, and so when you're done and you have your keyword in here, your keyword in here, your keyword in your intro title, your keyword in an H2 tag, and also throughout the content with a minimum of 300 words, this little light will be green, which means your post that you wrote is optimized for search engines. And so the next thing we're going to go ahead and do is go here to the settings, actually excuse me, SEO sitemap, I apologize. And we want to go ahead and click this, and what you'll do is when you click it, it has this sitemap. And we're going to copy this here. And we're going to go ahead and go to the next phase, is the Google Webmaster. So you click on Google Webmaster. You're going to go ahead and add a site. And we're going to type in the URL keepingthegarden.com. Click continue. From there, it's going to ask you to verify the site. And so what we're going to do is go ahead and click this and HTML tag, copy this, and back in your website on the dashboard under the SEO, you have right here your Webmaster tools. Go ahead and click paste and click save settings. It updates it. Right here, go ahead and click verify, and it verified the website. And so now the website is in Google Webmaster Tools. The next thing you're going to do is go to sitemaps, and right here, you need to copy that. You find that right over here in XML sitemaps, and whenever you click that, it'll have a place for you to click, and it'll open up this here. And from there, you go ahead and click add sitemap, you paste it in, and then delete from here back and click submit sitemap. Refresh page, and now it should have your sitemap being indexed, and right now it's being submitted to the Google index. And so the next thing we're going to go ahead and do is go back over here to dashboard, and here there's the Bing Webmaster tool, or in my website the Bing Webmaster tool. Go ahead and click that, and you'll want to sign in. And I apologize, I wasn't signed in earlier. Hopefully this password is correct. Yes, it is. And it's going to be very similar. You're going to go ahead and type in your URL, click add. You're going to want to add a sitemap, so you can go back over here and copy that sitemap. You paste it in there and click add. Then from there, it's going to want you to verify. So go ahead and copy this text, and back here in your website, the Bing Webmaster Tools, go ahead and paste it in. Click save settings. And from there, click verify. And it's verified, and so now your websites are indexed in Google and in Webmaster Tools. But you're going to also want to go ahead and add URLs. And so what we'll do is go ahead and right here, click add Google URL, add your URL, and from here you just type in your website address. So we'll go ahead and just open this here and copy and paste, and from there you got to type in your this text here, and it's always different. Hopefully I typed this in right. I guess not. So yes, it's been received and is processed. The next thing you'll want to do is go here to the Bing ad URL and do the same thing. You paste it in there and just go ahead and type this in. Hopefully I get this right. They usually mess up with this, but you'll do your best here. And there it is. It's been submitted. And you could also get some advertising money if you sign up for Webmaster Tools. And so that's you're getting the major search engines. The next place you're going to want to go to is ExactSeek. Same thing. You just paste in your URL here and just type in your email address and proceed. And you just click the free. You could pay to have it little. You can have a little more with it, but just go ahead and choose the free plan, and from there it'll go ahead and submit it. I apologize for the wait on this here. Alright, it is submitting it, and you can go ahead and you already have your sitemap index. You don't have to worry about this. This is a little ad here, but it's trying to submit it. Here we'll try again, but that's where you submit that site. And you just keep trying. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. ExactSeek, same place here, and just enter your email address, and there it is. It's submitted. And so after that, go ahead and go to DMOZ, and this one is a little bit different. You don't click suggest URL. What you do is you go to here in your section family. For instance, ours is a family website, and from there you could submit your website however you want. You find where your website would best fit here. So this one doesn't look like it would be where we want to be. Actually, you know what, Christian family, that's probably where would be a good one here. And from there you type in suggest URL and you paste in your website. Go ahead and give a title. So again, self-sufficient. Actually, this one you want to type in the title of your website, keeping the garden, because that's what they're going to see first. And then from there you type in your description, which if I were you, I would go back to your website, go to the dashboard, and from there go to your SEO section here and go to titles, and I would copy what you have in here and then paste it in there and put your email address. You got to type in that text, and so I'm going to get a new text because I don't know what that second letter is. I don't know if it's a number or what, but here V84C. Go ahead and hit submit, and it went ahead and submitted it. The next thing you're going to want to go to is scrub the web. Same thing, and paste. Oops, I got the wrong address. Let me just go ahead and get it real quick here. Oops, I apologize for my mistake. Let's go ahead and paste it in, enter your email address, submit URL, and they'll go ahead and start sending you emails. Actually, if you're logged into your email, you'll see they'll start sending you emails to make sure. So you can just go ahead and confirm that you did that by clicking this right here, and it's confirmed. You just got to go ahead and type that in and submit, and it's being processed. And so there we go. So I went ahead and got you submitted in all the basic places that you need to be. Another thing you need to do is go ahead and click this link here on the onlineharvest.com/SEO guide, and it'll take you to an Evernote note that I created. Go ahead and copy all of this text, and then inside of your website here in the back end, go ahead and go to your settings, in your writing settings, and in here we're going to go ahead and paste in that long list, because every time you write a new article, it's going to send a list to these or send your post to these different servers. And then the last thing I'd encourage you to do is go ahead and go to this directory list, another Evernote that I created, and there's just a whole bunch of other places to submit your website. And that's just the beginning. What I showed you is just the beginning, but you do this and your website will be indexed in Google. And just, I would encourage you to do just 1 or 2 of these a day. Don't do them all in one day because Google will notice that, but just get them listed. And so I hope that this was a blessing to you. And back on theonlineharvest.com, I would encourage you to go ahead and share this article and like it and share it on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, all the different places you can. Also sign up for our newsletter. Thank you, and God bless.